Get into it. Hey dolls, it's J Monet. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you Asteria hair. This is the first time that I ordered from Asteria hair, so I just wanted to review this hair. I've heard such good things about it, so hopefully it holds up to its name. This is my birthday hair, so I'm gonna need it to be right. This is what the box looks like. It's a green box and it has Asteria hair at the front and it says discover different versions of you. That's really, really cute. That's cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna open the box so you guys can see what comes in it. So this is what it looks like inside the box. The first thing that they put in the box was a wig cap. It is a nude wig cap. Second thing that they put inside the box were coupons, and it has their company name on the back. They gave me a lot of cards, so. The next thing is this little bag, so let's open this up. This Asteria scarf. Ooh, I'm gonna get some good use out of this. So you know when you tie your edges down, it'll be nice and right, girl. So it says Asteria hair. The next thing that came in the box was this silk bag for my hair. It says Asteria hair on the front and it says just for your beauty. That is so cute. And again, it's silk. It is silk. And what we've all been waiting on, the hair. Let's get into these hair details. So the hair I got was a 24-inch lace wig from Asteria hair. I'll leave the link in the description box of the hair. The hair density was 180%. The cap size was medium. The lace color is medium brown. And I didn't ask for an adjustable band, so it didn't come with one, but you have the option of having an adjustable band sewed into your wig. Y'all, this hair is bomb. Just like looking at it. So it comes in this net. So I'm just gonna take that off, which is really good. So it protects the hair while it's traveling and everything. So this is the hair, you guys. Just put it back here for you guys to see. This is how long the hair is. I will show you guys the length that it comes on me. I'm 5'3". This is the inside of the wig. You have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and I will end up sewing an elastic band in the middle because I like my wigs to be tight. It does have that elastic band that you can kind of put together, this end and then this end. So I'm just gonna run my hands through the hair. I'm not getting any shedding. No pieces are falling out of this hair. None. Do y'all see that? No piece is coming out of this hair. That's really good, so I'm very happy about that. This is long. This is a long 24. So it is straight hair, but it does have a wave, a little wave in it because of, you know, the packaging and how they package it. It's gonna come with a little wave. It's not bone straight. Of course, I would have to go in and straighten it myself. This is what the lace looks like. Y'all, this is some thin lace. I will have to bleach the knots, but just comparing it to my skin color here, it's an okay blend. You know, I'm gonna still have to do a little work to it. It is pre-plucked a little bit at the root, so that's really good. I'm gonna go in and pluck it a little bit more, but it is pre-plucked slightly. So thank you, Asteria, for that. It comes with baby hairs. The baby hairs are really long, so you know you're gonna wanna cut those. But this is some really silky bomb hair. This is very silky. So parting space goes all the way until here. So the parting space goes all the way back until here, where this is the front, this is the back. So that's a lot of parting space. So now I'm gonna put this on my head so you guys can kind of see how long it is. Let's back a little further so you guys can see. It comes down to right here. I'm so excited to install this hair. Look at that shine, that luster. Look at that. Get into it. I forgot to mention the hair. I ordered it on the 2nd of August and it came on the 8th of August, so it took about a week, so it was really fast. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will post the video of me installing this wig, bleaching the knots, installing the elastic band. So be on the lookout for that video coming very, very soon. So turn on those post notifications so that you are notified when I post that video along with other videos that I post. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my videos. I'm so grateful. And don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Comment down below if you tried Asteria hair and let me know how you feel about their hair. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Choose your fighter. Fight.